and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low-carb diets show that you can gain a bit of muscle while losing significant amounts of body fat. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If you're new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming will suffice. Both cardio and weightlifting can help with weight loss. What about calories and portion control? It's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat, and low-carb vegetables. However, if you want to count them, you can use a free online calculator like this one. Enter your sex, weight, height, and activity levels. The calculator will tell you how many calories to eat per day to maintain your weight, lose weight, or lose weight fast. You can also download free, easy-to-use calorie counters from websites and app stores. Here is a list of 5 calorie counters to try. 4. Here are tips to lose weight faster. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are among the most fattening things you can put into your body. Drink water before meals. One study showed that drinking water a half hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may promote weight loss. Fiber supplements like glucosamine can also help. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by 3 to 11%. Base your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overeating than processed foods. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Weigh yourself every day. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. How fast will you lose weight? You may lose 5 to 10 pounds of weight, sometimes more, in the first week of the diet plan, and then lose weight consistently after that. If you're new to dieting, weight loss may happen more quickly. The more weight you have to lose, the faster you will lose it. For the first few days, you might feel a bit strange. Your body is used to running off carbs, and it can take time for it to get used to burning fat instead. Some people experience the keto flu, or low-carb flu. It's usually over within a few days. After the first few days,